guys, welcome to Jitu's Cookbook. We kids are cooking here today. My name is Rishi.
I am Patil. I am Pranav.
And I am Anirudh.
Today we are going to make a brownie for you guys.
The best fudgy brownies ever.
So now we have the ingredients here to make the fudgy brownie for you.
Thank you, Rishi. So we have a total of 9 ingredients. Firstly, we have the butter, a semi-sweet chocolate block, cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, 3 medium-sized eggs, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and last but not the least, we have vanilla essence.
And don't forget the salt.
Yes. To mix all of these, we need a beater, a bowl, and a sieve.
So with no further ado, let's start making the fudgy brownies.
So now we have cut the chocolate into pieces. We are going to boil the chocolate using the double boiled method.
And we also have to melt the butter with the chocolate.
Next, we will be mixing the granulated and the brown sugar with the eggs.
We will also be cracking each egg one by one.
Now I'll be mixing the eggs with the granulated and brown sugar. We have to mix it until it's very creamy. Now, as you can see, it's very creamy.
Great job, both of you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Anirudh.
And now we'll be adding the vanilla essence.
And now we have to mix it again until it's more creamy.
Now we have to mix the chocolate butter mix into the other mix.
Now we are supposed to mix the chocolate with this creamy
Mixture. So now we will be sifting this all-purpose flour, cocoa powder and salt with this wet mixture.
Okay, now we'll be folding the cocoa powder with the all-purpose flour and the salt with the wet mixture. So now I'll start folding like this.
Now fold it until there's no more dry ingredients left.
You won't want to over mix this mixture. So now you'll have to take a 7 by 7 inch square pan. Then you have to brush some butter on it. Then after that you'll have to take some parchment paper. Then line it on the 7 by 7 inch square pan and brush more butter.
And now we are supposed to put the chocolate in the 7 by 7 inch square pan.
Now we must continue tapping slowly until it spreads equally.
Hey, Parthiv, I have an idea.
Wow, chocolates! I love them. Now we are gonna take a little amount of chocolate chip and spread it around the chocolate. Oh, let's also eat some. Don't tell our parents.
Don't tell our parents. Very delicious.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
You have to put everything back.
I'm not listening to them, but okay. That should be enough, right?
Yeah, that's enough. Now we have to preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. And
we also have to cook it for 30 minutes. And I guess that's all.
So let us now take the brownie and put it in the oven.
Follow me.
Now we have to take it out after we preheated it. And now put
Be
it
careful.
in carefully. And be careful, kids, don't burn your hands. Now
This is really dangerous.
You may want to ask an adult for help.
we'll make it to 180 degrees Celsius and
for 30 minutes.
30.
Now let's
go for a quick swim.
Now let's go for a quick swim.
I agree. Rishi has not come back from the pool, but it's time to open it anyways. Wow, looks good.
Wow, it looks awesome.
Very delicious to eat.
Yes. Now let's take it out. Let's take it out. Let's go.
Chocolate chips was a good idea.
Yeah, it is indeed a good idea. Wow, look at this. So now I'll put this in. See? It's perfect.
Ritik, let's taste the brownie which our brothers made. It's so delicious. I like the chocolate chip because I like the chocolate the most. It's so yummy.
No. You have to taste it first. Then you see.
It is so soft and moist. The chocolate chip is so crunchy. It is so nice. Like and thank you.